Welcome to the best picks. The best chrome powder nails is probably one of the most eye-catching nail trends out there, offering a dazzling, reflective finish that instantly elevates any manicure. From subtle shimmers to bold, mirror-like effects, chrome powder nails have taken the nail art world by storm, and for good reason. In this video, we'll dive deep into everything you need to know about achieving the perfect chrome nails, from the best application techniques to the must-have products. Number 5. Born Pretty Chrome Nail Powder Decoration Sets. Introducing the Born Pretty Chrome Nail Powder Set. This set allows you to create stunning nail art designs. It is perfect for anyone looking to elevate their nail game. The set includes 4 boxes of gorgeous nail powder pigments. You'll receive white pearl chrome, mirror, holographic glitter, and chameleon chrome powders. These will give your nails a unique and eye-catching look. Compared to regular glitter, this powder offers a superior glossy finish. The powder provides different colors depending on the light. This will make your nails stand out. No special skills are needed to apply this nail pigment powder. Following the instructions, it's easy to apply on natural or artificial nails. You can achieve professional-looking results at home. This mirror, hollow glitter, pearl, and chameleon powder can be used with both UV gel and regular nail polish. Different base colors will create different effects. It offers endless possibilities for your nail art. If you have any questions about your order, please contact us. We are here to help. We are committed to ensuring you are satisfied with your purchase. What we like. This powder boasts a higher glossy effect, giving your nails a stunning, mirror-like finish. The easy application makes it perfect for beginners, allowing anyone to achieve professional-looking results. If you're looking for a product that delivers a vibrant, eye-catching shine with minimal effort, you should definitely consider this one. What people say. The set includes a gorgeous range of shades, silver, gold, pink, and rose gold, that are perfect for any occasion. This nail powder is incredibly easy to apply, even for a beginner like me. Once applied, the colors stay vibrant and last for a long time without chipping or fading. Number 4. Beetles Chrome Nail Powder, 8 colors. Introducing the Beetles Chrome Nail Powder, a must-have for dazzling nails. This set offers 8 stunning colors to create mirror-like, holographic effects. They are perfect for any occasion. Inside, you'll find 8 jars of vibrant powders, along with applicators. The colors include pearlescent greens, purples, blues, and holographic shades. It's easy to create a unique look. The ultrafine powder provides a fantastic chrome and holographic pearlescent effect. It's made from safe, long-lasting materials, ensuring a smooth finish. It is perfect for any nail type. This powder is versatile and can be used on various nail types. Experiment with different polish colors to achieve unique results. It is a great DIY tool for nail art. For best results, use with a UV LED nail lamp, base coat, and top coat. Cure the nails for 60 to 120 seconds. It is simple to use and gives a professional look. This product is designed for nail use only. Avoid contact with eyes, mouth, and skin. If any irritation occurs, discontinue use and seek medical advice. Keep it away from children. What we like. With its range of colorful effects, this powder allows you to create unique and personalized nail art designs. It's suitable for various nail types, offering versatility in your creations. If you are a nail art enthusiast who loves experimenting with different colors and effects, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. This is really easy, it takes a little more time than regular polish, but it's so pretty. These chrome powders work great with gel polishes. Comes with many eyeshadow sticks and step-by-step instructions on how to get the best application. Number 3. Artdone Chrome Nail Powder Kit. Introducing the Artdone Chrome Nail Powder Kit. This kit is designed to give your nails a stunning metallic mirror effect. It's perfect for creating iridescent aurora and mermaid pearl dust designs. Each kit includes 4 jars, each containing 1 gram of white-based chrome nail mirror pigment powders. Remember, it needs to be used with gel nail polish and a no-wipe top coat to achieve the best results. Unlike other kits, this one provides a generous amount of powder in each jar. The Artdone Chrome Nail Powder offers a brilliant mirror effect, and you can create different looks with various background colors. The powder is incredibly fine, so you only need a small amount for each application. This kit is enough for around 40 to 50 manicures, which is more than 300 nails, whether you're at a salon or at home. You can apply this chrome powder on UV gel nails, acrylic nails, natural nails, or false nail tips. It's versatile and easy to use on various nail types. The powder is super fine and easy to apply with the correct method. For the best effect, use a base coat and a no-wipe top coat. This kit is also great for beginners. Just follow the instructions, and you'll be amazed. What we like. This powder provides a fantastic mirror effect, giving your nails a sleek, polished look. The quantity ensures you get plenty of product for multiple manicures. If you like a product that offers both quality and quantity, allowing you to create stunning nail art without frequent repurchasing, you should try this one. What people say. It gives your nails that eye-catching, mirror-like shine that looks like you just stepped out of a salon. The powder is super pigmented, so a little goes a long way. I love the variety of colors for chrome, and it works very well. Number 2. Allstarry Chrome Nail Powder Kit. This chrome nail powder kit is perfect for achieving a beautiful aurora chrome effect. With different base coat colors, you can create various stunning looks, such as pearl, mirror, or even mermaid effects. It's a great way to make your nails stand out. The upgraded jars are transparent, making it easy to identify the colors. The kit also includes a holder and a box for convenient organization and portability. Whether you get the new or old package, it's designed for your convenience. The powder has an ultra-fine texture, providing a smooth and attractive luster. It's also non-toxic, harmless, and cruelty-free, ensuring a safe and durable application. You can create amazing mermaid chrome effects without worry. This chrome nail powder set includes 4 aurora glitter colors, perfect for mirror effects. It can be used on various nail types, including UV gel, acrylic, and natural nails. You can even mix it into your gel polish for endless DIY possibilities. The powder adheres well to nails with a no-wipe top coat, allowing you to easily achieve salon-quality chrome results. Detailed instructions are provided to help you get the best results. Try it with nail charms and stickers for more creative designs. The package includes 4 jars of manicure pigment in 4 colors and 4 eyeshadow sticks. Each jar contains 1 g of powder, enough for over 100 nails. A little of it goes a long way in creating amazing effects. What we like. This powder creates an amazing aurora chrome effect, perfect for those who love a touch of magic on their nails. The upgraded package makes it easy to organize and carry. If you are looking for a product that combines stunning visual effects with convenience, this is the ideal choice. What people say. The chrome effect is absolutely stunning and gives my nails a unique aurora look that I love. The powder itself is incredibly fine and smooth, applying evenly without any gritty texture. Using the powder was straightforward, just apply a no-wipe top coat and the powder sticks perfectly, giving salon-quality results at home. Number 1. Beetles Silver Chrome Nail Powder. This is the Beetles Chrome Nail Powder. It creates a stunning mirror metallic effect on your nails. The powder is made with ultrafine pigments for a smooth, non-grainy finish. The powder contains real silver, not aluminum, which makes your nails shine like a mirror. You can achieve different holographic color looks by applying a colorful base underneath it. No special nail art skills are needed. Just follow the instructions, and it will be easy to achieve a glossy finish. It's a great gift for anyone who loves doing their nails. This powder is suitable for UV gel nails, acrylic nails, and natural nails. It's a helpful DIY tool for nail art design. Experimenting with different nail polishes can also add more fun. Each package includes 1 jar of nail powder and 1 eyeshadow stick. If you have any problems while using the product, please feel free to contact us. We will solve the problem until you are satisfied. What we like. This powder provides a stunning mirror metallic effect, making your nails shine like a true mirror. The easy application ensures anyone can achieve a glossy finish. If you are looking for a product that offers a professional, salon-quality look with ease, you should consider this. What people say. It gives my at-home gel manicures an instant, professional-looking upgrade. It's super easy to use, odor-free, and applies like a dream whether I'm going for a chrome effect or just a subtle shimmer. Looks beautiful. Lots of compliments. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.